Hey there! Today, I'm going to show you how to make money with YouTube Shorts and get paid tens of thousands of dollars every single month simply by copying and pasting videos. You see, YouTube Shorts at the moment is absolutely blowing up with the channels getting millions of views with only a few days time, and I'm going to show you how to do this without showing your face on camera or ever using your voice. Now, YouTube Shorts at the moment is the answer to the rise of TikTok. YouTube needs to compete with TikTok because TikTok is absolutely blowing up, and the good news for you is that YouTube is throwing in $100 million for creators to go out there and start creating these different short videos. I'm going to show you a couple of ways that people are monetizing this to make a lot of money online, and I'm going to show you a website that you can combine with this that's going to help you absolutely crush it. And I want to show you where to get these videos absolutely for free and how you're going to get started. Look at all these different videos. Some of these videos have only been here for a few hours and they've got thousands of views. So all you need to do is come over to YouTube and type in something like funny things caught on camera. And the reason we choose this is because these types of videos get a lot of views. I mean, 6.1 million views in just 5 months, 19 million views in 9 months. That is a lot of views in just under a year. Now, I'm going to show you how you can get a lot of these videos. Here's a channel over here. For example, it's called Dashcam Owners Australia. Now, when you come over here, you can see that this channel has a lot of views. 74,000 views in 1 week, 400,000 views in a week, and 1 million views in just 3 weeks. The views on this channel is crazy with just this content. And when we come over to socialblade.com to take a look at this channel, you can see that they're getting anything up to $25,000 every single month with the amount of views that they get. But I want to show you how to get some insane amounts of payments without having to worry about the YouTube ad revenue. So how do they monetize this? Well, if you come over to this channel and you click onto any one of these videos over here, scroll down, and you can see that this person does have a website where they're selling these different types of dash cams, and I'm going to show you how you can do something so simple like this that'll take you less than a couple of minutes. I'm going to show you how to do the exact same thing to make money with these YouTube Shorts. So if you come over here, you can see that if we open up this website, you can see that they're selling all these different dash cams. You can actually get a lot of these videos that he's using off YouTube, but I want to show you an even easier way. So if you come over to TikTok, you can see that there are a lot of people using the same video content as well. So I'm going to show you how you can do something very similar and get these TikTok videos from here and get them up onto YouTube as a YouTube short video. So the first step to this is, let's say you wanted to use one of these videos over here. Let's say that we want to use this video here. So what you want to do is you want to come over here, you want to copy this URL. Once you copy this URL, you want to come over to this platform called sstik.io. This site over here allows you to insert that URL and click on to download. And what this is going to do is that it's going to download that TikTok video. Just click on download without watermark. And now that it's downloading on our computer, we'll be able to use this video and upload it onto YouTube as a YouTube short video. But in order to do that, we need to edit it first. To edit it, you want to come over to the site over here, which is canva.com. Now, once you're on canva.com, all you want to do when you're on there is come over here and type in TikTok videos. Click onto TikTok videos, and once you do that, you can see here that you've got all these different backgrounds that you can use. Click on to create a blank TikTok video, and once you do that, it's going to bring you over here, and then what you want to do is you want to upload and use this, the video you downloaded. This is the exact same video. Now what we want to do from here is we want to edit it a little bit. Now as you can see, this is the before and after the edit. It is quite simple, but it's doable. You can edit it the way you want it to be. It's very simple when you use Canva. What you want to do is you want to put something funny so people will watch this. From here, what you want to do is you want to click on download. Now once you click on download over here, you want to download that as an MP4 video. Okay, so What you want to do is just come over to YouTube over here, and once you've created your account, come over here, click on to create, go to upload video, and then once you go to upload video, basically you want to come over here, or you can just grab that video that we just downloaded. You can type in the title something funny, like funny moments caught on dashcam, and then you want to put hashtag short on the title and on the description, so YouTube would put them under shorts category. Also, I want you to type in the description, buy your own dashcam using this link, so people can use that link and buy dashcams. I'm going to show you what site you're going to use to put on a link for people to buy dashcams, like the one I showed you earlier. This is where we can earn money from commission, and it's totally free. The site that you want to use is called kit.co. This site allows you to create a whole array of different types of kits using Amazon, and the best part about this platform is that they are affiliated with Amazon. You don't need to do anything, and they're going to allow you to use their platform to be able to promote products from Amazon, and you're going to get a percentage of those sales. So what you want to do is you want to create an account for yourself. Once you create an account for yourself, come over here where you've got this plus sign over here to create a new kit. You want to call this the dashcam kit as an example, and then over here you can give it another description and you can just put the same thing. It doesn't really matter too much. What you want to do is you want to search for different products. Since our video is about dashcams and we want people to buy dashcams, we will search for dashcam products that our viewers can buy. We can choose whatever item we want to add our kit. As you can see here, there are several items. You can look on the reviews and add whatever item you think is the most likely to be bought by our viewers. Now once you're done with adding items for your dashcam kit, what you want to do is you've got a share button over here, and the other thing you can do is come over here. You see these three little dots over here? You want to copy a link to share. Anytime somebody clicks onto that, it's going to bring them over to a page where you made your dashcam kit, and they can very easily come over here and purchase any one of these different types of products, and you're going to get a percentage of the sale. This is one of the best ways to make money with YouTube Shorts, and you can go and do this in any video content that you can think of. So what you want to do now is, you want to come back over to your YouTube channel and you want to paste that link over here. This is the link that people can click onto. So once they click on it, it's going to take them over there and they can purchase. Now the best thing about YouTube Shorts is that you don't need to put in a thumbnail. You don't need anything like that. For the tags, you can type in any tag you want and fill it out, and you can go to this site called vidiq.com. You can see exactly what video tags this person has used on their video, so you can basically copy that and then very easily come straight over to here, and it's going to allow you to paste those different tags on your video. If we keep posting these different videos, this is going to allow us to make some really good money online with affiliate marketing and YouTube Shorts. From there, all you need to do is click on next and upload this video. You can see that these videos get a lot of views, and considering that YouTube Short is getting pushed more than any other video out there at the moment, you could very easily get a video that's gonna get a couple 100,000 views. And what does that mean for you? Well, if you've got an offer on there and you get a couple of 100,000 views every single day, and let's say you make about $15 on each sale because those cameras aren't cheap, if you do 15 and you multiply that by 30, because all you basically need out of 200,000 people is about 30 people to buy, it's likely possible that at least 30 people are going to buy, and that's about 450. If you multiply that by 30, as you can see, you can start to make some serious money online uploading these YouTube short videos without ever showing your face. You don't even need any downloading software. All you need to do is come over here, sign up to Canva, and you can make some really good money with YouTube Shorts. So that was my video today, guys, on how to make money with YouTube Shorts with a very simple technique without having to do any of the hard work yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please click that like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to learn on other ways to make money online, make sure to click on my other videos. Hope this video helps you make money, and I'll see you on the next video.